everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you under Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you a brand new update to your phone application once you do get that Samsung One UI 3.0 update, which will probably not come until November. As of right now, I am a part of the beta program. This is actually just version and build 1. Hopefully build 2 will come out really soon, so in this way we can see if there's any changes and tweaks. So to kind of get you ready for this update coming up soon, one of the really nice things is once you go inside of your phone dialer and then you go inside of settings. Now inside of here, instead of having those lame, boring call background, you're able to create your own. Now, anytime that you wanted to change anything, you just want to look on the very bottom, you have 2 different tabs. This first one is going to be layout. So first off, how do you want it to be laid out when someone calls you? You have the name larger on the top and then a larger image, or do you want to go for something just a little bit more smaller? I kind of like this larger look. It looks really cool on this image here. And then with over here, you can change your background. You can either have it as a photo or a video. Now, originally you might be looking at something a little similar to this on something you're using now. This one's a small video that was pre-installed, kind of has a little bit of pulsating look. Now, if you wanted to put in your own video, you'd be able to choose this one right over here. Now, the other cool thing with this little video that I shot and created is that you can also use the video sounds as the ringtone. So if you turned this on, then you'd be able to listen to whatever you state or whatever's happening in here, you'd be able to have audio. Now, up over here is a small icon letting you know that there is some sound with this one. As of now, my phone is really turned down, but in the video, I'm stating, "Hey, Jimmy, you're getting a phone call. Hey, Jimmy, you're getting a phone call." So this way, that is what would come through as the ringtone, and it's pretty cool. Now, if you don't want to have a video pop up when someone calls you, you can just use anything from your gallery. This just happens to be only one image and one video that I shot because I just recently updated this and it just wiped everything out. So I'm going to set this one as the call background. So anytime someone calls me or if I create a call, this will be the background and it's going to look super dope. Something that's a little bit more fun than just the normal plain backgrounds on any other Samsung version before this. Now, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a